Yo, what's up you guys? Oh, fucking shit, bro. Damn, what a workout. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, 278. I know why they call this the Jesus bolt. I'm just scared if anything happens, like the bar breaks or whatever, handle breaks, or I slip off. It's gonna hurt, dude. But went up to 297, so that's good. Just one more time. I gotta do it just one more time to make sure. Holy crap. Oh. Yes, sir. 298. We take it. Take it. Take it home or leave it. Because I'm gonna definitely leave it. Hey yo, what's up you guys? Well, back with another what's in the bag episode on Steam. But I had to buy new hardware from the BMW because I'll show you what came out. I bought all kinds of different ones just in case, because they're not exactly the same grade, so that's a good thing. .8s. Look at this. Holy shit, dude. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, and that's not the camera, that's the bulb being like bang. I got lucky with the bolt not breaking into the block, because that would have been a fun experience to get out. Well, here are some of the other bolts, you know. So I'll show you guys. And here's the rest of the bolts. You know, they fully rusted out and full of corrosion, so I don't even try to clean those, and they of course being damaged. So I try to get something that's close. It's a little bit shorter. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install the water pump. And I think the other one started going out slowly. Not that bad, but like it had play too, so It's a good thing I changed that. Another trick I learned from my coworker the other day is when you install a water pump. Of course, you want to put some lubricating fluid on the gasket when you put it in. But the craziest thing that I will never use is, if you don't have any silicone like that, installing silicone, is you can use coolant. So right now I just applied a bit of coolant on the housing itself and then the pump's gasket. I'm gonna try to figure out my power sink system because I took it apart, and actually I got a new reservoir as well because I don't know if my reservoir is leaking or not. And now I'm looking at the coolant reservoir and I'm kind of worried because it looks like it's, you know, a little thick, and I like thick, but I don't know if it's a good sign of thick on these because these tend to explode. So I got new power sink hoses too. Not all of them, just only 2 of them because they were kind of moist and wet. So I got replacement for those. This is already integral parts. Alright you guys, so I switched the bracket onto the new reservoir. As you can see, I actually didn't find these bolts because I forgot what they look like, and I cleaned them so well. It took me a second to realize these bolts belong on the power sink reservoir.